Right, hello, this is another Source Sounds video, and today we've installed a KENWOOD CarPlay system into this 2014 Corsa. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle, just showing you how well the fascia fits this vehicle, and this is a KENWOOD 5020DABS. This is the CarPlay home screen, so this is what you'd see when you connect your phone to it. The unit has AM, FM, it has DAB, it has Bluetooth hands-free calling. It also has reverse capabilities, so you can add in a reverse camera if you wish. Also with this vehicle, we have the capability to retain factory wheel controls, so this vehicle doesn't unfortunately have them, but if it did, we can. If you're interested in any sort of upgrade for your Vauxhall range, call the experts at Source on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching. Cheers guys.